In this video, we'll learn how to calculate the volume of 3D shapes. Volume is important because it tells us how much material we need to build or fill an object, how much liquid a container can hold, and how much space an object will take up in a given area. Let's start with the volume of a rectangular prism, also known as a box. The units of measurement for volume are the same as the units of measurement for length, cubed. Let's say we have a rectangular prism that's 5 centimeters long, 3 centimeters wide, and 2 centimeters high. What's its volume? The formula for the volume of a cylinder is pi times radius squared times height. Let's say we have a cylinder with a radius of 12 centimeters and a height of 20 centimeters. What's its volume? The answer when we multiply pi times 12 squared times 20 is 9,047.8 centimeters cubed. Finally, let's calculate the volume of a sphere. 4/3 times pi times r cubed. Let's say we have a sphere with a radius of 8 centimeters. What's its volume? The answer when we multiply 4/3 times pi times 8 to the power of 3 is 2,044.7 centimeters cubed. The last shape we'll cover is the cone. The formula for the volume of a cone is 1/3 times pi times radius squared times height. Let's say we have a cone with a radius of 5 centimeters and a height of 8 centimeters. What's its volume? The answer when we multiply 1/3 times 5 squared times 8 is 209.4 centimeters cubed. That's it for our lesson on calculating the volume of 3D shapes.